So Google Cloud is offering us a variety of services which you can test and deploy very quickly. In comparison to the traditional environment, when you have to purchase and basically host everything, this speeds up the process of deploying services to production. Besides that, Google is giving us access to numerous experts which we can utilize very quickly. In traditional environment, in-house, you have to predict and purchase equipment up front. So you need to spend money and you need to scale up for a couple of months, even years up front. So you are having a lot of infrastructure which is basically burning energy and it's not ecological. With Google setup, we don't have that problem. So we can scale up. When we have a big game launch, our services are growing. Users are not experiencing any delays. When we have a quiet period, we can scale down. Google is enabling us basically easy scale up and scale down, and this is enabling our marketplace to be competitive on the market. By introducing Google Cloud, we are removing all infrastructure challenges. What it means? It means that users from all over the world can access our marketplace with no delay. So you don't have to worry about internet capacity, you don't have to worry about server capacity. When we have a big launch, for example, we increase our capacity of our servers and users do not notice, right? You just scale up and users are not experiencing any delays doing transactions, which is very good for us because we are selling more. So basically, user experience is much better. Furthermore, Google is placed globally. So you have data centers in numerous regions like Europe, Americas, and we are using it. So when user is doing purchase on our marketplace, basically we have it fast for them. Yeah? So the response time is fast, transactions are fast, and this is basically helping a lot. In traditional environment, you need to shut it down, you need to maintain service and put it in maintenance mode. With the Google Cloud and services which we are having continuous deployment, deploying new features on constant basis, and users are not being impacted. When using every cloud, you have to consider regulations in certain regions, right? Google is helping us because they have numerous data centers located in regions where you need it. We have taken a lot of measures to make sure that our data is protected and secured. First of all, we have a lot of microservices which are securing data on every stage of transaction. We have data stored in an encrypted way. We do comply with the latest regulations on the markets when we operate, and this is being adopted on day-to-day basis. Like every company, we put security measures as a priority. With Google, we rely on their processes when they store data, how they update their environment. So they have very robust security and data protection procedures, and we use them. On our side, we do have also implemented additional security measures where we encrypt data during traffic, during storage, and we make sure that our environment is kept up to date with the latest security standards and setups. As I mentioned before, we are deploying changes constantly, right? So we have proper procedures of development, testing, and deployment, which take data and security as a priority for us. We operate on numerous customer data, and this is basically something which you have to comply in different regions with different standards, right? And we do it. Looking forward, I do see a very close cooperation with Google. They are introducing right now artificial intelligence in their products, and we are using it already. We've been doing some deployment and beta testing with Google. We want to focus right now on introducing artificial intelligence in, for example, product recommendations, and some technical support of documentation for external integrations. These are our first steps which we are planning to do. Not talking about data, where we are introducing big data and analysis of data from this perspective. I do see a lot of understanding and cooperation on Google partnership, and I hope that they will help us to be #1 marketplace globally.